Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage fry. We're diving into a delicious recipe for crispy cabbage pakoti, a popular snack from Vismai food. This dish is perfect as a side with your main meals or as a delightful evening snack. Get ready to learn the secrets to making these irresistible fritters that everyone will love. Let's get started. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 350 grams of finely grated cabbage. For the binding, we'll use 1 cup of gram flour, also known as besan, and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies, and a selection of spices like turmeric, cumin, chili, and coriander powder. Salt and curry leaves are also key for flavor. Now for the preparation. First, grate your cabbage and mix it with salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Let it sit, then squeeze out all the excess water. Next, combine the dried cabbage with your powdered spices, ginger garlic paste, gram flour, and rice flour. Mix it into a dry, crumbly texture. Avoid adding any extra water. Finally, drop small portions into very hot oil and fry on medium flame until they are beautifully golden and crisp. For the crispiest pakotis, remember this crucial tip: do not add water to your flour mixture. The moisture from the cabbage is sufficient to create a dry, crumbly batter. Fry them on a medium flame until they turn a beautiful golden brown. These delicious fritters are perfect with dal rice or rasam. Also, for staying refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your homemade, crispy cabbage pakoti.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.